Welcome to House Lux Estate, your premier destination for luxury lifestyle tips and insights. We are your guide through the fascinating world of high-end shopping, opulent real estate, and everything in between. Our mission? To illuminate the intricacies of luxury living for those who seek the best life has to offer. From the latest fashion trends to the most coveted properties, we've got it all. So buckle up and get ready to elevate your lifestyle. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of luxury watches and the 10 things you need to know before buying one. First things first, never underestimate the power of research. When we're talking about luxury watches, we're entering a world that's rich in history, craftsmanship, and prestige. So, it's essential to do your homework. Start by understanding the brand. What's its story? How did it earn its reputation? What sets it apart? This will give you an appreciation of its value beyond the price tag. Next, delve into the history of the watch model you're considering. Has it been worn by icons? Does it have a notable place in horology? Answers to these questions can add layers of meaning to your purchase. Finally, research the specific watch you're about to buy. Know its features, its movement, its materials. Understand what you're paying for. This isn't just about avoiding fakes or getting a good deal. It's about fully appreciating the timepiece on your wrist and the journey it represents. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to buying a luxury watch. Next, let's understand the heart of a watch, its movement. Just like a car engine, the watch movement determines how the watch functions. There are 3 main types of watch movements, each with its own characteristics. First up, we have the automatic movement. These watches wind themselves using a rotor, a small metal weight that spins when you move your wrist. They're beloved for their fine craftsmanship and classic appeal. Next is the manual movement, the oldest type of watch movement. These watches require you to wind them by hand. They're valued for their traditional, intricate design. Finally, there's the quartz movement. These watches use a battery for power and a quartz crystal to keep time. They're incredibly accurate and require less maintenance than automatic or manual watches. Each type of movement has a different impact on the watch's value and maintenance requirements. Choose a movement that you're comfortable with, both in terms of operation and maintenance. Now, consider the resale value of the watch. This is a factor often overlooked but of significant importance. The brand of your chosen timepiece plays a huge part in its resale value. Think Rolex, Patek Philippe, or Audemars Piguet. These brands are well known for holding their value over time, if not appreciating. Rarity also plays a role. Limited edition pieces or models that are no longer in production can command higher prices in the pre-owned market. The condition of the watch is a no-brainer. A well-maintained watch will always fetch a better price than one that's been through the ringer. Finally, original packaging and documentation can add a surprising amount to the resale value. It's proof of authenticity and gives potential buyers peace of mind. If you're viewing your luxury watch as an investment, considering the resale value is crucial. Let's talk about the brand reputation. In the world of luxury watches, the brand name carries a weight that extends beyond just a logo. It's a mark of quality, a testament to craftsmanship, and a symbol of prestige. When we speak about reputable brands, we're considering their history, their commitment to innovation, and the consistency of their work. Buying a timepiece from a renowned brand ensures an investment in excellence. These brands have spent decades, sometimes centuries, perfecting their craft. Their watches are not just timekeepers, but works of art, each component meticulously designed and assembled. Moreover, a reputable brand stands behind its products, offering warranties and services that reflect their confidence in the watch's quality. The brand's reputation also influences the watch's value over time. A well-regarded brand can significantly enhance the prestige of your wristwear. Remember, the brand is not just a name, it's a guarantee of quality and craftsmanship. Price versus value, an important consideration. Now, let's delve a little deeper into this concept. You see, the price of a luxury watch is what you pay at the counter. It's that hefty sum that might make your wallet feel significantly lighter. But value, that's a completely different beast. Value is the worth you perceive in the watch. It's the satisfaction you feel when you glance at it on your wrist, the pride when others admire it, and the comfort knowing it's a symbol of your hard work and success. Remember, a higher price doesn't always equate to better value. A watch with a jaw-dropping price tag might not give you the same sense of fulfillment as a more moderately priced piece that resonates with your personal style and life story. So when you're standing in front of that gleaming glass case, ask yourself, is this watch worth its price to me? It's important to buy a watch that you believe is worth its price, not just because it's expensive. Finding the right dealer can make all the difference. When it comes to buying a luxury watch, the dealer you choose is just as important as the watch itself. For both new and pre-owned timepieces, a reputable dealer is your best bet. Why, you ask? A reputable dealer ensures that the watch you're purchasing is genuine, not a counterfeit. In this world of high-end horology, counterfeits can be incredibly convincing, but a good dealer knows the ins and outs of every watch they sell. They can spot a fake from a mile away, but that's not all. A trustworthy dealer also provides an invaluable peace of mind. You'll know that your investment is secure, that the watch has been properly maintained, and that you have someone to turn to if anything goes wrong. And let's not forget about warranties. A reputable dealer will often provide warranties for their watches, which is a significant advantage. A reputable dealer not only provides authenticity but also peace of mind. Maintenance matters. It's a phrase we've all heard 1,000 times, and yet it never loses its relevance, especially when it comes to luxury watches. Imagine owning a high-performance sports car and never taking it in for a tune-up. It wouldn't run as smoothly, would it? The same principle applies to your luxury timepiece. Regular maintenance ensures that your watch continues to perform at its best, keeping time accurately and looking as good as the day you first wore it. It's not just about cleaning the exterior, it's about servicing the intricate mechanisms inside that keep the watch ticking. This might include things like oiling the movement, adjusting the timing, or replacing worn-out parts. And here's the best part. A well-maintained watch can even outlive its owner, becoming a cherished heirloom passed down through generations. It's an investment in the future, a testament to the timeless appeal of craftsmanship and quality. Remember, a well-maintained watch can last a lifetime. Lastly, don't forget about your personal style and comfort. It's easy to get caught up in the technical details, the brand reputation, and the potential resale value. But remember, this is a watch you will be wearing. It should be a reflection of you, your tastes, your aesthetics. Whether you lean towards the bold and extravagant or the understated and classic, there's a luxury watch out there that's just right for you. Comfort, too, is key. You want a watch that feels as good on your wrist as it looks. Consider the weight, the size of the dial, the material of the strap. A luxury watch is more than an investment piece. It's a wearable piece of art that should bring you joy every time you glance at it. So, as you embark on your journey to find the perfect luxury watch, keep your personal style and comfort at the forefront of your decision-making process. After all, the watch you choose will be an extension of your personality. Let's recap the important points we've covered today. We began by emphasizing the importance of thorough research. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to luxury watches. Understanding the different watch movements, from mechanical to quartz, can help you appreciate the craftsmanship behind your timepiece. We then delved into the subject of resale value. A luxury watch is not just a fashion statement, but also an investment. The reputation of the brand plays a significant role here. Brands with a long history and strong reputation often hold their value better. We also discussed the crucial concept of price versus value. Remember, a high price tag doesn't always equate to high value. It's about the watch's intrinsic qualities, its craftsmanship, and its significance to you. Next, we talked about the importance of finding the right dealer. A trustworthy dealer can provide after-sales service and ensure the authenticity of your luxury watch. We also touched on watch maintenance. Luxury watches require regular servicing to keep them in prime condition. It's a small price to pay to preserve the longevity of your investment. Lastly, we highlighted the importance of personal style and comfort. After all, your luxury watch should reflect your individuality and sit comfortably on your wrist. Thank you for joining us on House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more luxury lifestyle insights. Until next time, stay classy.